Okay, hey guys. Max Blank here from Triple Whale, one of the co-founders of Triple Whale. Just wanted to take the opportunity here to do a quick walkthrough. I hope that this can answer some questions for you. If you have any other questions, you can always reach me at maxmaxx at triplewhale.com. And without further ado, I will walk you through the app. So once you've received your link to actually access triplewhale.com, you'll go to integrate. You'll be prompted to basically integrate with Shopify. Once you integrate with Shopify, you're going to want to come down to you'll be sent to the summary page right here, and then you're going to want to go right to integrations and then start connecting your different accounts. So connect your Facebook account, your Google account, Gorgias, Klaviyo, Snapchat, and TikTok. More integrations are right around the corner. Google, if you connect your Google Analytics account, we will pull your ads from Google Analytics. So it should be a one-stop, one and done for both things. You're going to want to make sure you also visit our apps and extensions. We have an Android app and an iOS app, as well as a few Chrome extensions, which are very helpful. Chrome extension actually brings the summary section into your Shopify store, both on the live section and on the home the home screen. We also bring in the summary section into your Facebook Ads Manager, which is pretty helpful as well. Let me jump back into the summary section. So once you've integrated everything, we then recreate your data in these modules. Right here you have a pinned section. This is basically me grabbing through all the different modules, which we'll work through pretty soon, and pinning up the key stats that I want to keep an eye on, being an owner-operator. So let's walk through this quickly. These are inferred stats. These are some stats that we pull as a business, that we, as the app creators, that we feel are necessary to display here. So here we have your net profit. You've got your blended ROAS here, so from Facebook, from Google Ads, TikTok, and Snapchat. Here's your MER, your marketing efficiency ratio. Very similar to blended ROAS, but just expressed in a percentage. Here's the CPA cost, blended CPA costs, your net margin, revenue per session, your amount of returns on your store, how many returns you have, your actual ad spends right here. And then you can click into it and see the breakdown per platform. The new customer CPA as well. And if you want to understand how these things are working, you can just hover over these question marks. Google Ads here. We have how much you're spending on Google Ads. We have your ROAS, your CPA conversion value from the Google Ads. Sales, right? We have sales right here from Shopify. The amount of orders, the refunds, your taxes. This is AOV from Shopify, which is not as reliable as the Google AOV, so I always revert to the Google AOV. If I don't want to see this, I could just go right here, reorder tiles, and I could move that, and now that's gone. Very helpful to see your new customer versus returning customer. We also have your Facebook ads right here, and you can bring in a few more tiles as well if you want to see more things from Facebook. We're not an attribution platform. We're simply just centralizing data and pulling directly from the API, displaying it here to make things easier for you so you can save time. Google Analytics, bounce rates, the amount of sessions, conversion rate, your AOV. This is much more accurate than the $30 AOV from the Shopify reports. We also have Klaviyo right here. We have a few more EPSs coming, or ESPs, sorry, email service providers coming very soon. Right now we will with Klaviyo. Revenue from flows, percentage of revenue from flows, just a lot of very cool stats that you need to know to run a day-to-day. Here's our expenses. So we have payment gateways, COGS, handling fees, shipping costs, and then custom spends. This is basically how much you're spending every day on overhead. So if you have staff, agency costs, software costs, all that. This is all over just a one-day period. Remove this. Okay, great. So that's that. Again, I pinned certain things up here, which is really, really helpful. And I can kind of show you how this looks on mobile, just like that. You can also like go in here and you can customize what you want to see. So we have a few other things I forgot to show you guys here. Let me go back now. Add a few more sections there. So we also have your inventory, how much inventory you have. We're tracking that. Gorgias, how many tickets. This helps you just get a bird's eye view on what's going on. TikTok, Snapchat. Then we also have a reporting section here, which is getting upgraded as we speak. But you can basically go into reporting, title your report, grab what you want to report, and the frequencies in which you want to send the reports out. This is very fun. This is a calculator, and this calculator allows you to manipulate your data over what period of time you want to do it on. So we do $55 AOV. What will that do to your bottom line if you were able to get your conversion rate up as well? Let's see, do a 3.5. Where are we at? 182. Oops. Yeah. And then you can also set goals based off of what you just set over there. We do have an LTV section here, which we're going to be having an update very soon. But right now these are just cohorts. You can see, month 1, month 2, month 3, how many dollars are sticking around, or how many orders really. A trend graph. Here's our Facebook section here, which is pulling your Facebook data. Give it a second here. Yeah, so we are pulling in your Facebook ads. Very cool, very exciting. Yeah. We also have a Google dashboard right here. Google Ads, Google Analytics, sources. It's coming in a second. UTMs. By source by medium. Here is your traffic source today. Campaigns, page load times. Here's Klaviyo. Here we have your last 50 campaigns you can check out. And then we can jump down the expenses side, so the expenses section. Here you can actually put your cost of goods as a percentage if you don't know it. Here's a handling fee that you can assign to everything. If you have cost of goods already syncing with Shopify, we'll pull that by default. If not, you do have the ability to export our CSV template, re-import the CSV template with your costs. Shipping right now is done per country manually. Then we'll assign it to the order. Payment gateways is done manually as well. And then here's custom spends. You can add a fixed cost with a start date and making it reoccurring. You could also do a metric-based cost. So let's say you do have an agency. Let's set the metric here, sales. Let's just say the metric is ad spend. Say it's 10% of the ad spend and it started on the 1st. You can get that and then it'll add it to your fixed cost section. That's it. If you guys have any questions, again, reach out. Hope this was helpful, and to your success.